Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 22nd, 2023, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPX, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right. Let's zoom on in here and see what we see. Zoom. Maximize this quarterly chart. All right, on the quarterly chart, we have made yearly highs, but on the SPX, we haven't made all-time highs. It's kind of like the Russell, but this one is a whole lot closer than what the Russell is. We only probably about 70 points or so, maybe a little over, a little under 70 points away from all-time highs. Will we make it before the end of the year? I'm not sure, but it's definitely possible. So that's what I see here. We're still very bullish. We've made it. We got across this R1 level, and now to get to an R2 level is way up there. Will it do that in 1 week? I doubt it, but it is making all-time highs is close enough where we can possibly break that, the week after Christmas or Christmas week. So that's what I see here. Let's go on down here to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, I can see we're at an R2 level here on these quarterly pivots. And that's what probably slowed this thing down. Plus, we're at this top. These guys, is it any more supply up here that's going to actually push this thing down? Or is that supply all done and we're going to just bust right above that? But we got to wait and see. It looks very bullish to me at this time, being above this level and if we do get a pullback, I would expect a pullback down to this level right here where I got highlighted here, and that's why I'm leaving that on at this time. Let's take a quick look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, as you can see, let me zoom in just a little bit here. We haven't crossed all-time highs, but we are at yearly highs, and this is what you start getting at your top. You start getting doji-looking candles and stuff. Those tails are kind of a little longer than what we're used to seeing, and we did get a pretty good pushback. So this thing can turn over on us, but as long as we keep making higher highs and higher lows, just keep looking out, that train is going to keep moving forward. So it's kind of like wait and see what happens here. We're definitely in a management mode at this time. So that's what I see. Let's take a quick look at the daily noise and see what we see there. We see here that what we saw in all the others, there was probably some profit taking and some getting long at the same time on this particular candle on Wednesday. Once we did, get those yearly highs, in this week, and we were also at a R1 level on these weekly pivots. Got a nice pullback there, and we ended up closing below that level. Those who trade around pivots and stuff probably know what I'm talking about there. But it was a pretty good week, and that's all I really want to share at this time on the SPX S&P 500. You guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see if I talk to you next week, or will it be next year? Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.